Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this microphone. Still struggling with audio quality? Then this microphone is just made for you. Do not have some kind of active noise cancellation or passive noise cancellation, but for its price, it's the best you will get. It cost me like around 700 rupees from Amazon. I'll put a link in description. Got a clip in here, plus it got a wind-proofing cover. Right now audio you are hearing is from this microphone as I hold it this much close, and if I hold it far away from my mouth, here I'm going far away from this microphone, and in here the voice of mine was also getting far away. If I turn my fan on right now, then the noise you will hear like this. Right now fan is like 3 feet away from me. It's blowing air toward me, and you can hear the noise. It got a cable like this. Now if I turn the fan off, then you will hear how it sounds like. Now fan is off, so this is what you will have to keep consider of. This is a very good mic, and I will show you other things of it. This microphone comes with a 6-meter long cable. I also have a hook and loop kind of things for managing this cable, plus very different thing. This is a lavalier kind of microphone. It comes in between your microphone's cable, and you gotta put a LR44 battery inside it, plus it got a switch on it. If you are recording with a dedicated camera like a DSLR or mirrorless, then you switch it here. If you are doing with smartphone, then you push it down, then it will record audio from your smartphone. But this do not work with things like this DJI Action 4. For this you will have to buy a expensive cable what converts type C to 3.5mm jack. This is very important for your voice to be clear if you are shooting and making videos like this. And now as you can see, there LR44 बैटरी ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी होती है इसके लिए. जब ज़रूरत हो तब इसे लगा लें एंड रिकॉर्ड करें, जब ज़रूरत ना हो तब इसे निकाल लें. ये बहुत ही फ्रेजाइल सी असेंबली है इस पूरे माइक्रोफोन की. एट दिस प्राइस रेंज दिस इज़ वेरी गुड. और ये मेरी आवाज़ है. मेरा कैमरा 2 फीट दूर है मेरे मुंह से, और मैंने माइक्रोफोन को खोल दिया है. इसका 3.5mm का जैक है इस तरह से, तो आप सुन ही सकते हैं मेरी वॉइस कितनी कम हो गई होगी. एंड एट द सेम मोमेंट इफ़ आई plug it in. Now I have plugged in this microphone, and you can see the difference. That's the packaging with what it comes in. It got a very nice clip here for holding on to things, just like my finger. Made a video with this microphone गाड़ी के टर्बो और इंजन के साउंड को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए. मैंने इसे कैसे यूज़ किया, वॉच नाउ.